Welcome to The Grumpy Plumber. I'm Jordan. This is my dad, Jim, the Grumpy Plumber. He's been plumbing for over 50 years. He knows a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I do, but doesn't mean it's always right. But the big question here is, people ask is, what's that rotten egg smell? Okay, and I've answered a million times. Then you get somebody gets on there and says, your biological water tank has got some mold or fungus. Hey, my customers didn't care where it come from. They want to get rid of it. Every time I fixed it, it was the magnesium rod. I pulled the magnesium rod out, I drained the water heater, I put fresh water in it, and for some reason it went away, okay? I don't care what some chemist is telling you what it is. That's what I found. I don't think I've ever had a problem with it, okay? I mean, somebody's gonna say, oh, you pulled the magnesium rod out, the water heater's gonna die. Hey, let it die. You got rid of that smell. When you're standing in that shower, spraying that water in your face and really enjoying it, and then it stinks like rotten eggs, it don't make the guy real happy to start the day.
Magnesium rod is to help prevent corrosion, but in some areas, in some water chemistries, it really doesn't.
Yep.
You don't have a corrosion problem. And you're saying, if you do have it, at least get rid of the rotten egg smell.
Well, if you're
shortens the life of the water heater, but so be it.
You tend to have it more on a well. Okay, you might have it, if it is a serious problem, it's usually the well. You don't have that problem on city water. It's got to be the magnesium rod. And the water softener can't take that out. You know, a well, now they have devices, breathers or something they add into special tanks that spray the water into the tank and eliminate that. But boy, I'll tell you what, them babies ain't cheap. I hope you don't have that on your well, but people do. And I feel sorry for them. But most of the time, if you're on a city water system and you got a rotten egg smell, and it tends to, well, it doesn't really matter, electric or gas, either one will have a problem.
That is the most common cause in his experience on where that rotten egg smell comes from. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that helps.
Hey, buy me a beer. Because I know if you got that smell and you move that rod out of there and flush that heater, it's going to be gone. Jordan's going to tell you how to do it.
So you can click the thank you icon down below if you want to buy this guy a beer for all these helpful videos. He's got a lot more. We got a whole playlist right here on water heaters and his discussion on water heaters. Jump right in, have some fun watching them. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.